Are you tired of paying for traffic data? Get any site's traffic for free in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly how to use Semrush's free website traffic checker, step by step. No paid plans needed. Navigate to the website traffic checker page. Then, click on the Website Traffic Checker tool to open it. Click on the highlighted area. Then, click on Domain to choose that option. Once that's done, click on Check Traffic to run the analysis. Type in the highlighted field. Then, click on July 2026 to select that month. Now, click on Traffic Overview to see the summary. Then, click on Download Full Report to save the data. Click on Choose Your Trial Plan. Then, click on Total Visits to view that metric. Click on Compare Traffic with another website or URL. Then, click on Traffic Distribution to see the breakdown. Click on Traffic Distribution again. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.